Hi, I am here at Harpoon Harry's. I am here with General Manager Sean Carruth. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
It is always a beautiful day here. You have magnificent views here from the restaurant, inside and out. And you've had so much go on here since Hurricane Michael. You've had quite a few renovations that needed to take place.
We have. We had to do a multi-million-dollar renovation since the storm, and quite frankly, we're just happy to be back open.
Yeah, we're glad you're open, and it looks really beautiful inside. You know, this view is just amazing, and you can also get beach service here, which is pretty cool. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it's one of the unique things we've done. We've partnered with Panama Jack to take over the beach behind our business, and we control it, so we're able to offer it at a fraction of the rental prices up and down the beach for our guests.
Yeah, you can really come here and spend the entire day. Of course, you have a chef in the kitchen that really cares about the food that comes out and to your guests, beautiful food.
Right. That's one of the blessings we have here. I partner up with Chef Dave. He does an amazing job all the way throughout the process of the order and the quality control, the plate presentation, and making sure we're getting the finest, freshest seafood every single time.
Fresh Gulf seafood, beautiful views, and an incredible renovation. We're so glad you guys are back open. It's a pleasure to see you.
Yes, thank you very much. We're very excited.
So if people want to find out more information, where do they need to go?
All right, our website is harpoonharry.com.
There you go, no S, Harpoon Harry. So come out here, enjoy these beautiful views and some delicious fresh seafood, and I will see you back here with more local news.